In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join lines using Fillet command in AutoCAD. If you've ever needed to connect two lines cleanly and quickly, the Fillet command is one of the simplest tools to use. It's designed to trim or extend two objects and create a neat connection between them based on your current settings. In many everyday drafting tasks, this is the fastest way to close corners or tidy up intersections without manually trimming and extending. Here's how it works. First, go to the command line and type Fillet or type Fillet and press Enter. This tells AutoCAD you're about to create a connection between two objects. You don't have to search through menus. The command line is the quickest route and is especially handy when you're working efficiently. Next, click on the first line you want to connect, then click on the second line. AutoCAD immediately calculates how those two lines should meet and updates the geometry for you. If the lines are apart, it will extend them. If they're overlapping, it will trim them. The result is a clean join based on the current Fillet settings. A bit of context helps here. Fillet can create a rounded corner if a non-zero radius has been used recently, or a sharp corner if the radius is set to 0. So, if you click your two lines and see a small arc appear, that simply means a radius was active from a previous command. If your goal is a crisp intersection, make sure your settings reflect that before you proceed. This behavior is normal and is part of what makes Fillet flexible across different drafting needs. A few quick tips can make the process smoother. Zoom in slightly before selecting so you're sure you're clicking the exact objects you want. If you use object snaps like end point or near, they can help you select with precision, especially in busy drawings. And remember, if the result isn't what you expected, a quick undo will take you back instantly so you can try again. Although we're demonstrating with simple lines, Fillet also works with many common object types, such as arcs and polylines. The logic is the same. Start the command, pick the first object, pick the second, and let AutoCAD handle the trimming or extending. To recap in plain terms, type F or Fillet, press Enter, click the first line, click the second line, and you're done. It's that fast. Practice this a few times, and it'll become second nature in your everyday drafting workflow.